In this video, I'll show you how to install VPN on your LG TV. Step 1. No VPN limitations on LG TVs. LG TV's WebOS don't directly support VPN apps from the LG Content Store. Alternative options are available: router level VPN, smart DNS, or use of a PC connection. Step 2. Configure VPN on your router. Install your preferred VPN service on your Wi-Fi router. See your VPN provider for guides. All devices, including LG TV, will use the VPN automatically when connected to this network. Step 3. Use smart DNS as a VPN alternative. Some VPN providers offer smart DNS, which you can configure in TV network settings. Go to Settings, then Network, and then Wi-Fi connection, and then Advanced Settings, and update your DNS addresses. Step 4. Share a VPN connection from your PC. Enable VPN on your PC and share its internet connection via Ethernet or a Wi-Fi hotspot. Connect the LG TV to the shared network for VPN protection. Step 5. Verify your VPN is working. Visit a geo-logged app or use the TV web browser to check your location/IP. If blocked content is now accessible, the VPN setup was successful. And that's how you use a VPN on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just comment them in the comments and I'll try to help you out. Have a nice day. Bye.